Hey, it's VJ from Canada and the Whitby garage sale. So I'm going to try my luck in the vintage record business. It was my dad who was telling me that vintage is hot again, and I just told him, I says, you're a dinosaur. Who'd be interested in this old junk? But apparently people are, and I guess it's a case of nostalgia. And there is always something great about being able to hold a record in your hand with the artwork and that. But my wife had a collection of vinyl downstairs, so I figured why not give it a shot, and we'll put some of this stuff on the net. And anyways, I've been able to sell some of the old records at a huge profit. So we're going to continue with it. I was at Value Village today, and I picked up this copy of Carole King's Tapestry for $2. And I'm going to put it on at a huge profit, and we'll see if I sell it or not. But anyways, it'll be a lot easier selling records than some of the other used goods I got. But we'll give it a shot, and I'll let you know how it makes out. So VJ's in the vintage record business now. Cheers.